If you're serious about starting your digital marketing journey in 2026, this video will give you a strong foundation. Hi, I'm Nandakishore and this is Digital Marketing Explained in 10 minutes or less. Today, I'm breaking down 25 of the most used digital marketing keywords in the simplest way possible. If that sounds interesting, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Let's start with the digital marketing itself. It is the process of promoting a brand, business, or a person using the internet. It can be done through paid methods like ads on Google and Meta, or free methods like posting videos on YouTube and creating reels on Instagram and much more. Number 2 is PPC, pay per click advertisement. It is a type of online advertising where you pay only when someone clicks on your ad. For example, if you run a Google ad campaign for your digital marketing course and 100 people click on it, you only pay for those 100 clicks, not for the number of times the ad was shown. Number 3 is SEO. It is the process of improving your website so it appears higher on search engines like Google for specific keywords. For example, if someone searches best budget smartphones under 15,000 in India and your blog is properly optimized for that keywords, Google is more likely to rank your page higher than others. Number 4 is reach. It is the total number of unique people who see your advertisement or content. For example, you post a reel on Instagram and 100 people saw it once equals 100 reach. Number 5 is CPC, cost per click. It is the amount of money you pay to advertising platforms like Google or Meta every time when someone clicks on your ad. In simple words, you are charged only when a person actually click on your ad. And the formula goes like this: total ad spend divided by number of clicks equals CPC. For example, you spend 1000 rupees on Facebook ads and you get 200 clicks. If you calculate 1000 rupees ad spend divided by 200 clicks equals 5 rupees CPC. Number 6 is CPM, cost per mil or 1000 impressions. CPM is the amount of money you pay for every 1000 impressions of your advertisement. And the formula is total ad spend divided by total impressions into 1000. For example, you spend 500 rupees and your ad gets 50,000 impressions. If you calculate 500 rupees divided by 50,000 impressions into 1000, your CPM is 10 rupees. This means every 1000 times your ad is shown, you are paying 10 rupees. Similarly, you have RPM, revenue per mil. This is for the YouTubers, content creators. For every 1000 monetized playbacks in which the ad was shown, the creator makes RPM. RPM is the amount of money you earn for every 1000 impressions on your content. For example, if your YouTube channel earns 500 rupees for 10,000 views, your RPM is 50 rupees, meaning you earn 50 rupees for every 1000 views. Number 8 is CTR, click-through rate. It is the percentage of people who click on your ad or link after seeing it. And the formula is number of clicks divided by impressions into 100. For example, your Facebook ad was shown to 10,000 times, 300 people clicked on it. If you calculate 300 clicks divided by 10,000 views into 100, you will get 3% CTR. Number 9 is AVD, average view duration. It is the average amount of time a viewer watches your video on any platform. Another related metric is APV, average percentage view. Let's say you upload an 8-minute length video and people watch it for an average of 4 minutes. Your AVD is 4 minutes and your APV is 50%. Number 10 is the conversion rate. It is a percentage of people who completes a desired action after visiting your website or seeing an ad. And the formula is number of conversions divided by total visitors into 100. For example, 1000 people visit your website, 50 make a purchase. Your conversion rate equals 50 divided by 1000 into 100. 5% is your conversion rate. Number 11 is engagement rate. Engagement rate is a metric that shows how actively people interact with your content. It includes actions such as likes, comments, shares, and even follows. It basically tells you how healthy and active your social media account is. Number 12 is bounce rate. It is the percentage of people who visit your website and leave immediately without clicking anything. For example, 100 people visit your homepage, 70 leave immediately without clicking anything. Your bounce rate is 70%. Number 13 is lead generation. It is the process of collecting contact details of your potential customers who are interested in your products or services. Number 14 is a funnel. A marketing funnel is the journey a customer goes through from first discovering your brand to finally buying your products or services. It usually starts with awareness and then interest, then desire, and finally action. It's called the IDA model. Example, someone sees your Instagram reel, visits your website, then downloads your free guide, and later purchases your course. That entire journey is your marketing funnel. So, tofu, mofu, and then bofu. Number 15 is A/B testing. It is the process of comparing two versions of something to find out which one performs better. Let's say you run a Facebook ad campaign with two different creatives, one with a product close-up and another with a person using that product. The one that gets more clicks or sales is the winner. Number 16 is ROI, return on investment. ROI is a metric that shows how much profit you made compared to the money you invested. It helps you understand whether your marketing efforts are actually giving you profits or loss. Let's say you spend 10,000 rupees on ads, you make 30,000 rupees in sales. So if you calculate 30,000 minus 10,000 divided by 10,000 into 100. Your ROE is 200%. Number 17 is ROAS, return on ad spend. It is a metric that tells you how much revenue you earn for every rupee or dollar you spend on ads. It specifically measures the performance of your ad campaign. Let's say if you spend 5,000 rupees on Facebook ads and generate 20,000 rupees in sales, your ROAS is 4x, meaning you earned 4 rupees for every 1 rupee spent on ads. Number 18 is lookalike audience. A lookalike audience is a group of new people who are similar to your existing customers or followers. Ad platforms like Meta or Google find users who behave like your current audience and show your ads to them. For example, if you upload a list of people who already bought your course, the platform will then create a lookalike audience of similar users who are more likely to buy from you. Number 19 is retargeting. Retargeting is the strategy of showing ads to people who have already interacted with your website, content, or apps. It helps you bring back users who have showed interest but did not take any action. For example, if someone visits your course page but didn't enroll, but later sees your ad again on Instagram or YouTube, that is retargeting. Number 20, landing page. It is a dedicated web page designed specifically for marketing campaigns with one specific goal like collecting leads or making a sale. It is usually connected to an ad or campaign and focuses on one clear call to action. Number 21 is UTM parameters. Say you want to track where your sales are coming from. You can do that by adding special tracking parameters to the link you share. When someone clicks that link, you can see exactly which platform or campaign brought them. These UTM parameters are simply added at the end of your normal URL and they help you track the full customer journey and measure what is actually working. Number 22 is core web vitals. These are a set of metrics that measure your website speed, performance, and overall user experience. They focus on how fast your page loads, how quickly users can interact with it, and how stable the layout is while loading. For example, if your website takes too long to load or button shifts around while opening, your core web vital scores will be poor, which can affect both user experience and your Google rankings. Next is CTA, call to action. It is a clear instruction that tells the user what to do next. It guides your audience towards the action you want them to take. Examples are buy now, sign up, download free guide, or subscribe to the channel are all CTAs that push users to take the next step. Number 24 is analytics. Analytics is the process of collecting and analyzing data to understand how people are interacting with your website, ads, or content. It helps you see what is working, what is not, and where do you need to improve. Example, using Google Analytics, you can check how many people are visiting your website, how long they stayed, and which page they spend more time. And the last one is SERP, search engine results page. It is a page you see after typing something into the search engines like Google or Bing. It shows a list of results including your website, ads, videos, and other content related to your search query. For example, if you search the best digital marketing course online, the page that displays all the websites and ads is the SERP. Alright, that's 25 essential digital marketing terms you absolutely need to know if you're getting started with digital marketing in 2026. Look, when I started 6 years ago, these terms were confused me, but once I understood them, digital marketing clicked. I could actually understand campaign reports, make smart decisions, and improve the results. Now you know them too. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing content. Let me know if you have any questions related to any of these terms in the comment section below. Check out the description for more related digital marketing videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at digital_RNK. Keep learning and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.